Hello, welcome to my class. Okay, yesterday at the end of the class, we copied that, remember? Lo que yo les estaba diciendo, sino que ya se nos acabó la clase, era que copiáramos el topic, the performance, read page 44, and pedagogic work unit. La de ayer, que hicimos la exposición, 96, and today, y la de hoy, 97, ¿ok? Entonces no tiene que volver a escribirlo porque ya lo escribimos. Y vamos a trabajar page 44. Okay, pay attention to me. We start. Look that. Open your book, please. Page 44. Please open that. And listen. We may play here. I back a little and play.
I had to help my dad move hay into the barn. Early in the afternoon, we watched dark clouds rolling in. Looks like there will be a storm, Dad said. We better work faster. If we leave this hay outside, it will be ruined. We moved the hay quickly, watching the clouds get darker. I walked to the barn with the last bale of hay and something hard hit my back. Hail! I ran to the barn just as the hailstorm started. Let's go home, Dad shouted, though I could barely hear him. It sounded like thousands of marbles were hitting the barn's metal roof.
Okay, 2 times. Escuchémosla 2 veces.
Running into the power room, we watched dark clouds rolling in. Looks like there will be a storm, Dad said. We better work faster. If we leave this hay outside, it will be ruined. We moved the hay quickly, watching the clouds get darker. I walked to the barn with the last bale of hay and something hard hit my back. Hail! I ran to the barn just as the hailstorm started. Let's go home, Dad shouted, though I could barely hear him. It sounded like thousands of marbles were hitting the barn's metal roof.
Okay, the idea is that we write the characters, I am sorry, here. Write the characters, setting, action, and conflict, page 44, okay? Characters. Okay, we back to characters. Entonces vemos early in the morning we dice we, pero también the we is the father and the dad, look, the dad and Jake, yes? Jake. That's it. Entonces, ¿quiénes están en esta escena? Dad and Jake. Excuse me, casi no se ve bien, pero ustedes tienen su libro. Entonces no hay inconveniente. Sobre todo es la parte escrita la que me interesa en este momento. Open your notebook. It's okay. Your book, I'm sorry. Then we write the characters. What are the characters? Jake and Dad. And Jake, Dad. Jake, ya sabíamos que él se llamaba Jake. Yes, Jake and Jake, Dad. Jake, Dad. Jake, Jake's Dad. El papá de Jake. Están ellos dos. Okay? Where the setting? What is the setting here? Excuse me with that. The setting. The setting is they are in the farm too. They continue in the farm. They continue in the farm here and write this farm in the farm. 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 But in the barn. En el granjero. Barn. En la barn. Okay, en el establo. Barn. 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 Look that. Like this. In the barn. Found that? Busquemos. Barn. Barn. and go. Look that. Listen.
Barn.
Look. Barn. Ellos están in the barn and in the farm. Okay? Continue. What is the conflict here? The conflict is that the storm start. Look that. Mira. Volvamos aquí y nos dice. Early in the afternoon, ya en la tarde, we watched dark clouds rolling in. Ya se empezaron a ver unas nubes oscuras. Look like there will be a storm. That's it. Look like. Entonces el papá dice lo mismo que había dicho el abuelo. Look that. Mira allá. Will be a storm. Va a haber una tormenta. We better work faster. If we left this hay outside, will we be ruined? Entonces, si ellos dejan el heno afuera, mira como ya el papá empieza a trabajar, a entrar el heno, porque está aquí. Entonces lo tienen que entrar y él dice, oye, si no entramos ese heno, nos vamos a arruinar. Okay, continue. Okay, the conflict is that there will be a storm. Ya sabíamos que iba a haber una tormenta, pero miren ahora lo que pasa. We moved the hay quickly, watching the clouds get darker. Las nubes se empiezan a poner más oscuras. I walked to the barn with the last bale of hay and something hard hit me back. Él va y llevando el heno al granjero, pero algo lo choca, ¿dónde está? Welcome to the bad heart. Ok, something hard. Hit. Me golpea la espalda. Hail. Look, hail. Hail. Granizo. Hail. Oh my. Here. Hail. Look that. Hail. Hail. Okay, here. But don't have. No. It's the other hail. Okay, no, this is the second. Look that. Look, hail. Hail, back, hit the back, le golpean la espalda.
Hail.
Le golpean la espalda. Okay, continue here. And I ran to the barn just as the hailstorm started. Entonces, mira, el conflicto es que ya va a empezar una tormenta, pero la tormenta viene con hailstorm, con granizo, ¿ok? Let's go home. That shit. Grita. Let's go home. Okay? So I can barely hear him. I sounded like thousands. Se escuchó miles de marbles were hitting the barn metal roof. ¿Sí? ¿Se acuerdan cuando llueve y está uno con metal? El techo es de metal y suena ta 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 ta. And now we make the conflict. The conflict in this page, en esta página. In this page. What is the conflict? What happened in this? Okay. Say, look, the hailstorm start. Empezó la tormenta de granizo. Look, hail, storm, start. Start. It's correct? Start. Yes, it's correct. Like here. This is the hailstorm start. And the action, what is the action? ¿Qué hacen ellos cuando este conflicto empieza? Antes, the sky is dark, yes, and the hailstorm start. Antes se veía el cielo oscuro, ya empieza a ver como nubes así bien densas, pero de un momento a otro, empieza la tormenta. Entonces, ¿ellos qué hacen? Let's go, el papá grita, let's go home. They went to the house or to the home. Yes? like that. Put here. Then let's, no, went to home, went to home. They went, se fueron, went to home, to home. Okay, they went to home. I'm sorry, you moved that a little, okay? They went to home. Se fueron al hogar. Went to home. And more, and probably I can write here that they moved the hay, yes? Offside, they moved the hay quickly. Esta podría ser otra acción que ellos hicieron rápido. O si no, el papá dijo, oye, nos vamos a arruinar. They moved the hay quickly. Rápidamente, quickly. They moved the hay quickly. Okay, this is the activity. Yes, do you understand? En cada una de las páginas nosotros podemos sacar los personajes, el lugar donde están, el conflicto, si sigue el conflicto anterior, en la página anterior se deja en blanco. Si no, aquí ya el conflicto empezó más duro, ¿yes? Ya, oye, ya empezó la tormenta. Entonces, ¿qué acción hicieron ellos? They went to home, they went to the house, and they moved the hay quickly. Okay, my students, this is the activity for today, okay? Have a good weekend. Bye.